Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw cash from an account with pending verification. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To withdraw cash from an account with pending verification, first, log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the withdrawal section of the website or app. Check if there are any specific messages regarding your pending verification. If necessary, complete any required steps to expedite the verification process. If your withdrawal request can still be processed, select the amount you wish to withdraw. Choose your preferred withdrawal method from the available options. Make sure your payment details are correct and current. Review any fees associated with the withdrawal method you selected. If everything looks correct, confirm your withdrawal request. Wait for a confirmation message that your request has been successfully submitted. If your withdrawal is processed despite the pending verification, you will receive a notification. Monitor your account to check the status of your withdrawal. If your withdrawal fails due to the verification issue, contact customer support for assistance. Be prepared to provide any necessary documentation to complete the verification. Once your account is verified, repeat the withdrawal process if needed. Always ensure you follow the platform's guidelines to avoid any delays. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your verification status. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.